Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. If you are new to this channel, then definitely check out my Python playlist. And if you are not subscribed yet my channel, then go there and subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a video. So previously we have discussed about the arithmetic operator and relational operator and logical operators. In this video, we are going to learn about how bitwise operator works in Python. Let's get started. Now I am inside my VS Code and I want to create a Python file over here. For that, I will click here on new file and I will give the name as tutorial 8 underscore bitwise operator bitwise underscore operators dot py. Okay, so you can see the file is created. Now you will study about bitwise operators, right? Bitwise operators. Okay, so what are the bitwise operators available in Python? Let's see. One is your bitwise and, okay, and it is represented as a single ampersand symbol. Okay, and another one is bitwise or, and it is represent as this symbol. And another one is bitwise not, and it is represent as this symbol. And another one is bitwise XOR. Okay, it is known as also exclusive or. Okay, so its symbol is this. And another operator is bitwise left shift operator, and its symbol is this. And another one is right shift operator, right shift. Okay, and its symbol is this. Okay, so these are the bitwise operators available in Python. So in our day-to-day life we are using numbers, right? So these numbers are known as decimal numbers. Okay, but computer can't understand decimal numbers. Computer will only understand the binary number system. Okay, so what is binary number system? Binary number system basically the numbers which are created using only zeros and ones. Okay, so the moment I write a is equals to 5, it means I am writing here 5 in decimal form, but inside computer's memory this 5 is stored in the form of binary number. Okay, so first of all we need to understand how we can convert a decimal number system to binary number system. After that we will understand how bitwise operator works. So let's have a look on it. So first of all we need to understand how we can convert a number from decimal to binary. Okay, from decimal to binary. If I take a number, let us take, I will take a number as 5. Okay, so how I can convert 5 to binary? Okay, 5 is in decimal form. Okay, so I need to convert it from binary form. Okay, binary form means base is 2. Okay, so for that, just divide 5 by 2 and take the remainder. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, and here the remainder is 1, and 2 1s are 2, and the remainder is 0. And now take all these reminders in from the order of bottom to top. Okay, so that it will give you 1 0 1, that means 1 0 1. So now 5 of, base 10 is 101 of base 2, that means 5 is represented as 101 in binary. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the binary format of any number. Let's take another number, that is suppose 10. Okay, so now I want to write the binary form of 10. So for that I will divide 2, I will divide 10 with 2. So 2 5s are 10 and the remainder is 0. Now 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 1, and 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 0. So the binary form is 1010. Okay, so 1010 in binary form. Okay, so 10 can be written as 1010. Okay, so in this way you can convert any number, any decimal number to its binary number. So the binary representation of 5 is 101, and the binary representation of 10 is 1010. Okay, so here 101 means 5. So this is known as 1 bit. Okay, so this is a bit and this is a bit. Okay, these are bit. Okay, so bitwise operator performs its operation in bit by bit. Okay, that means if I want to perform 5 and 10, then what is happening here? 5 means 1 0 1, and 10 means 1 0 1 0. Okay, so we can put 0 over here. So now if I do what, if I do and if I do bitwise, and then 0 and 1, this bit are going to perform AND operation. So 1 and 0 we have already seen in logical operator. True and false will give you the result as false. Okay, so here 1 means true, 0 means false. Okay, so 1 and 0, 1 and 0 will give you result as 0. Okay, similarly 0 and 1, 0 and 1 will give you result as 0, and 1 and 0 will give you result as 0, and 0 and 1 will give you result as 0. So you will get 0 as the result. Okay, so when we do 5 and 10, we'll get 0 as a result. Okay, let's perform AND operation between 7 and 9. Okay, so for that we need to convert 7 to binary number system. Okay, so for that I will keep dividing with 2. 2 3 ja 6, and I will get reminder as 1, and 2 1s are 2, you will get reminder as 1. So now 7 is 111. Okay, so decimal form of 7 can be represented as 111 in binary form. Okay, so similarly we need to calculate the decimal representation of 9. So for that I will keep dividing with 2. So 2 4s are 8, and you will get 1 as a reminder, and 2 2s are 4, you will get 0 as a reminder, and 2 1s are 2, you will get 0 as a reminder. So 9 can be represented in binary as 1001. Okay, in binary. So now we will perform AND operation. Okay, bitwise AND operation, that means 7 and 9. Okay, so 7 is 111 and 9 is 1001. Okay, so we can put 0 in the left side. So now we will perform AND operation between these two bit. So 1 and 1 will give you the result as 1. Okay, so here 1 and 0 will give you the result as 0. Here 1 and 0 will give you the result as 0, and here 0 and 1 will give you the result as 0. So we are getting 0001. Okay, so how to convert this binary into decimal? Okay, so binary, for the conversion of binary to decimal, you need to write it as 0001. It is your 2 to the power 0, plus it is your 2 to the power 1, plus 2 to the power 2, plus 2 to the power 3, and multiply these numbers. Okay, so that means 0 into 2 to the power 3 will give you as 0, plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 will give you as 0, plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 will give you as 0, and 1 into 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So this result is will give you as 1. Okay, so that means this is 1. Okay, so when we perform 7 and 9, that means whenever we perform 7 bitwise and with 9, then we will get result as 1. Okay, so now see in now we will implement these things in Python. Let's see. Now I will create a variable here where, and I will do bitwise and operation between 7 and 9. Okay, so for that 7 and 9, and now I want to print the result. Okay, print var, let's run the file. You can see 1 is coming. Okay, so we have already seen 7 and 9 will give you as 1. Okay, so similarly you can practice more and more questions. Like if I take var is equals to 10 and 5, and I want to print the result of var, then you can see 0 will come. See, 0 will come. Okay, so you can do any number. Var is equals to, suppose I will write here 24 and 86, and then I will run this file. You can see the result is coming as 16. Okay, so in this way the bitwise and operator works. Keep practicing more and more questions. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.